Alright, now that I'm back, we can get started. So, what you want to do is you want to warm up with some cardio. They don't have to be perfect cartwheels because the tricking area goes to your side and not a regular area. So, just practice a few cartwheels. They don't have to be perfect, but you want to practice a few cartwheels. I have the mat. We're going to get to the mat, but just practice a few cartwheels. If you don't know how to do a cartwheel, here's a quick tutorial. First, you want to face not to the side, but you want to face in front. Then you just want to do these baby hops. Once you do those baby hops, just get your body more and more higher and straighten out your legs more. So your progressions should look something like this. Then this. Then this. Then that's so you should be able to do one cartwheel. Okay. Once you practice those, you want to be able to jump into your cartwheel, so like this. It's the same thing, but you're just jumping into it. So you're not, instead of just doing this, just try to jump into it. Sorry, there's some cars passing by. But just jump into it. That's gonna give you the feel of what it's like to do a tricking area. Next step, you're gonna start doing it over. So get a mat or something that'll help you break your fall. I don't really do a lot of tricks on here. I just do backflips on here, as you saw in my backflip tutorial, because I flip on ground and not air tracks and stuff. But just do the same thing. Practice doing those cartwheels, but you want to commit a little bit more. So like this. Just commit a little bit more. So it wasn't a perfect cartwheel. That's why it's called a tricking area instead of a regular area like this. See how I'm committing more? I'm gonna show y'all a setup to what y'all can do to have more power in y'all's tricking areas. And once y'all keep practicing, the tricking area should look something like this. So, but I'm gonna show y'all another a setup that y'all can use to get more power on the ground. Okay, so once you completed your first aerial on the air track, you have to move to the ground. Now the ground's much different. The ground is less bouncier, so you have to use all the power from your legs. And just practice one of those jumping cartwheels. Now I'm gonna show y'all the setup. First, you're gonna start to the side. Hopefully I'm in frame. But you're gonna start from the side, gonna jump, and then go into it. So this, boom. Now try to do that setup with your jumping cartwheel. It gets you more power when you actually go for it. So keep practicing those cartwheels with the setup I just taught you, and your tricking aerials should look something like this on your first attempt. Okay, now once you keep practicing and doing all the steps, it should look something like this. Okay, I'm not sure what mine looks like. They may not be pretty, but that's how you do your tricking aerials. There's going to be more tutorials out, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching.